Ever wondered if you can become your own boss with no money? Let's find out together. Join Money Smart Basics as we take on the ultimate challenge, building 7 businesses from scratch on a shoestring budget. Can we make it happen? Subscribe and follow my journey. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth building tools and income opportunities. Hey everyone, it's Alfonso Brooks here with Money Smart Basics, putting in the work, grinding it out, and building something real. Get it? You're hungry, you're driven, but your pockets? Yeah, not so much. You think starting a business is some pipe dream because you're not rolling in dough. Wrong. That's why today we're diving into 7 business ideas for those of you who are broke, but have that fire in your belly, that entrepreneurial spirit. We're talking about low-cost, high-reward strategies that can take you from zero to hero. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes, all right? This is about putting in the work, grinding it out, and building something real. So buckle up, because we're about to break down these game-changing business ideas that can turn your financial situation upside down. Let's get this bread. First up, we're talking about the power of you. Use skills and start bidding on projects. Remember, your writing, editing, graphic design, coding, social media, the list goes on and on. These are your weapons, your tools to crush it in the freelance world. The best part? You don't need a fancy office or a ton of equipment. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and that relentless hustle I know you've got inside you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are your playgrounds. Create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Remember, your reputation is everything. Over-deliver, provide insane value, and watch those 5-star reviews roll in. Freelancing is all about building your brand, one client at a time. It's about proving yourself in the trenches, gaining experience, and setting yourself up for massive success down the line. Now let's talk about niching down. Don't try to be a jack-of-all-specialist, the go-to person for that specific skill. What are you truly passionate about? What gets you fired up? Focus your energy on becoming the go-to expert in a specific area. Think about it. Would you rather be a small fish in a big pond or a big fish in a small pond? When you niche down, you dominate a smaller market, becoming the king or queen of your domain. This allows you to charge premium prices for your services because you're not competing with every Tom, Dick, and Harry out there. You're the specialist, the go-to person for that specific skill. Remember, clarity brings power. So, define your niche, own it, and watch your freelance business soar to new heights. Alright, let's talk drop shipping, baby. This is the gap between customers and suppliers. Your profit? There. Imagine this. You can sell products online without ever touching any inventory. No warehouses, no shipping nightmares, just pure entrepreneurial magic. Here's the deal. You create an online store, find awesome products from suppliers, and list them on your website. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles everything. Packaging, shipping, the whole 9 yards. You're the middleman, the connector, the one who bridges the gap between customers and suppliers. Your profit? The difference between your selling price and the supplier's price. Simple, right? But here's the catch. You gotta treat it like a real business. Find a niche, build a brand, crush it with customer service. Don't just slap up a website and expect the money to roll in. You gotta put in the work. Now, the million-dollar question, what do you sell? Test different products and see what resonates with you. You gotta find products that are in high demand, have low competition, and offer healthy profit margins. Think about it. What are people passionate about? What problems are they facing? Find products that solve those problems and make their lives easier, better, or more enjoyable. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to identify trending products. Don't be afraid to experiment, test different products, and see what resonates with your target audience. Remember, your product is the heart of your dropshipping business. Choose wisely, market it like a boss, and watch those sales skyrocket. Alright, entrepreneurs, let's talk print on demand. Packages it and ships it directly to your customer. the business that works for you, not the other way around. Products without the hassle of inventory. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, you name it, you can slap your creativity on it. The beauty? You only produce what you sell. Think about it. No more stockpiles of unsold merch gathering dust in your basement. A customer orders a t-shirt with your killer design, boom! The print-on-demand company produces it, packages it, and ships it directly to your customer. You just focus on the fun stuff, creating awesome designs and marketing your brand. The barriers to entry here are so low it's insane. You don't need to be a design whiz either. There are tons of free and affordable design tools available. Plus, you can find your tribe in online communities dedicated to print on demand. It's all about tapping into that creative hustle and providing value to your audience. This is the future of entrepreneurship, people. It's about leveraging technology to build a business that works for you, not the other way around. So stop making excuses and start designing. You've got this. Now, the real key to crushing it with print on demand, engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. What communities do you resonate with? Maybe you're a fitness junkie, a dog lover, or a gaming enthusiast. Whatever it is, own it. Create designs that speak to that passion, that tribe. Remember, your designs are an extension of your brand. They need to be unique, eye-catching, and shareable. Don't be afraid to experiment, to be bold, to push the boundaries. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Showcase your designs, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. This is about building real, authentic connections. It's about providing value, not just pushing products. People can smell BS a mile away. Be genuine, be passionate, and most importantly, be patient. It takes time to build a successful business. But trust me, when you start seeing those orders roll in, when you see your designs out in the wild, it's the most rewarding feeling in the world. So go out there, find your niche, and crush it. Let's face it, everyone and their grandma is on social media these days. Little to no money. All you need is a laptop, an internet, suck at it. They don't understand the platforms, they don't know how to create engaging content, and they sure as hell don't know how to convert followers into customers. That's where you come in, my friend. As a social media manager, you're the digital maestro, the puppet master, the voice behind the brand. You're responsible for crafting compelling content, building a loyal following, and driving real business results. The best part? You can start with little to no money. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a deep understanding of how social media works. Learn the algorithms, study the analytics, and become a master of engagement. This is a skill set that's in high demand, my friends. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your portfolio, reach out to potential clients, and show them what you're made of. Look, social media management is more than just posting pretty pictures. Importantly, you need to be passionate about the power of social media. So go out there, build those relationships, delivering value with every single post. It's about building relationships, fostering community, and becoming a trusted advisor. You need to be a master storyteller, a creative strategist, and a data-driven analyst. You need to be able to wear multiple hats, juggle multiple tasks, and thrive in a fast-paced environment. But most importantly, you need to be passionate about the power of social media. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, to push the boundaries. The algorithms are constantly changing, so you need to be adaptable and willing to learn. Stay up to date on the latest trends, experiment with different content formats, and always be testing and measuring your results. This is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build a strong social media presence, but if you're consistent, you're creative, and you're always providing value, you will succeed. So go out there, build those relationships, and become the digital maestro you were born to be. All right, let's talk about one of the most accessible businesses, Bridge, the connector, the trusted advisor, marketing. It's all about leveraging your influence and audience to promote other people's products or services. You find a product you love, recommend it to your followers, and earn a commission on every sale you generate. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product, deal with inventory, or handle customer service. You're simply connecting the dots between a company and its potential customers. You're the bridge, the connector, the trusted advisor. Now, the key to success here is authenticity. You can't just shill any old product and expect to make bank. Choose products or services that you genuinely believe in, that align with your values, and that would benefit your audience. People can smell a phony a mile away. This is about building trust, providing value, and becoming a resource for your followers. When you recommend a product, share your personal experience with it. Now, becoming a successful affiliate marketer takes work. Promote your affiliate links organically within your content and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a social media following, you need a way to reach your target market. Content is king, my friends. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content that provides real value to your audience. Don't just focus on selling, focus on educating, entertaining, and building relationships. Promote your affiliate links organically within your content. Don't be spammy, be strategic. Find natural ways to weave in your recommendations without being pushy or salesy. Remember, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. And don't be afraid to experiment with different platforms and strategies. Test, track, and optimize your efforts to see what resonates best with your audience. There are endless possibilities in the world of affiliate marketing, so get out there, build your empire, and start earning those commissions. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about online tutoring. This is Zoom or Skype, your new best friends. You create traditional education, not for everyone. That's where you come in. You got knowledge, you got passion, turn that into a business, baby. Listen, we all excel at something. Maybe you aced calculus, or maybe you can explain Shakespeare like nobody's business. Whatever your jam is, there are people out there who need your help. And the best part, you don't need a fancy classroom. This is all about leveraging the power of the internet. Platforms like Zoom or Skype, your new best friends. You create the content, you set the schedule, you become the online guru you were born to be. We're talking low overhead, high impact. This isn't just about tutoring, it's about building a personal brand around your expertise. Think about it. You're not just helping someone pass a test, you're giving them the confidence to succeed. You're empowering them with knowledge. That's legacy stuff right there. And that, my friends, is priceless. Now let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually get started? YouTube videos, give away some of your knowledge for free. What are you really good at? What gets you fired up? That's your sweet spot. Once you've got that down, it's all about building your online presence. This is where your hustle comes in. Create a website, build a social media following, get the word out there, network like crazy. Reach out to schools, libraries, community centers. Let them know you're open for business. Remember, content is king. Offer free webinars, create valuable YouTube videos, give away some of your knowledge for free. This builds trust, establishes your authority, and shows people you're the real deal. And trust me, when you provide real value, the clients will come. And the best part is, this business model is scalable. You can start with one-on-one sessions, then expand to group classes, even create online courses. The sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and crush it. All right, content creators in the making, this one's for you. But let me tell you something. The rewards are craving content. We're talking blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, the whole 9 yards. And the best part, you don't need $1 million to get started. All you need is passion, a unique perspective, and the willingness to put in the work. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. Content creation is a grind. It's about showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. It's about putting yourself out there, even when it feels scary. But let me tell you something, the rewards are worth it. When you build a loyal audience, when you connect with people on a genuine level, that's where the magic happens. You're not just creating content, you're building a community. You're becoming an influencer, a thought leader, a voice that people trust and respect. So what's your story? What message do you want to share with the world? Find your niche, find your voice, and start creating. Document your journey, share your expertise, entertain, educate, inspire. The possibilities are endless. Now I know what you're thinking. Alfonso, this all sounds great. Afraid to experiment, to try new things, to see what resonates. Friend, patience. Monetization comes later. First, you gotta build your audience. You gotta provide value, build trust, and establish yourself as an authority in your space. Once you've got that foundation, the money will follow. We're talking sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, even launching your own merchandise line. The key is to diversify your income streams. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, to see what resonates with your audience. And remember, building a successful content creation business takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But if you're consistent, if you're passionate, and if you provide real value, you will succeed. So get out there, create amazing content, connect with your audience, and watch your business grow. The world is waiting for your story. So there you have it, 7 business ideas for those of you who and staying consistent. The journey won't be easy, but like anything else in life, it takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But most importantly, it takes that first step. You don't need a fancy degree or a trust fund to be an entrepreneur. All you need is a fire in your belly and the willingness to put in the work. So what are you waiting for? Pick an idea that resonates with you, start small, and scale as you go. Remember, it's all about taking that first step and staying consistent. The journey won't be easy, but trust me, it will be worth it. Now get out there, crush it, and build the empire you were born to build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more entrepreneurial tips. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. I will never doubt my dreams after learning this. Don't let fear or a tight budget hold you back. Use free online resources to gain knowledge and skills. Start small, stay focused, and watch your business grow. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.